Hi everybody, I am Dipti Mhatre. I work for the National Foreign Employment Association Asia, and today I would like to share two of job openings that we have over here. One of which is the factory worker opening, and this is in Saitama here. The work time would be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And hey, look at the salary. It is about 1,72,800 yen to about 241,920. And a little bit basic Japanese skills would work absolutely okay. And the other opening that I would like to share is that of an office work. This is very much in Tokyo. We need about 2 people here. It is a full-time job with a good salary and a bonus as well. You see, there is a bonus as well. And both of these jobs, we have the interviews happening very much in this week. We have, it's a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday, 11 a.m. we have a job fair, which will be followed by an interview at 2 p.m. Also, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday as well. We have job interviews. Okay, we have a fair at about 2 p.m. and job interview about 5 p.m. And we have a lot of companies visiting us in the job fairs and the interviews. We would like to come over and meet us at least once. And for more details, please contact on this number. We are here for you. Thank you.